Highest wall ride challenge in the world's biggest full pipe.
I got my money on Andy Mack.
Oh! Oh, look at that hefty squat.
Look at the safety. The amount of safety right now is so amazing.
All right, guys, so we are super excited to be out here today with Andy McDonald. And we decided, you know, you can go really high on this thing.
Yeah, one can go really high on this.
One can go really high on this thing. So we decided to have a world's champion. It's kind of a cross sports situation. We have the world's best scooter rider, the world's best BMXer. And we're gonna see who could go highest, is the highest wall ride challenge. Does anybody know what those marks on the side mean?
I was thinking like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
I was thinking high, higher, highest, and even higher than that.
Has anybody dropped in on
What are you thinking?
There are 2 people that have dropped in on this. And
No.
Not from the tip, but from over here. And a bunch of more people that have tried. And
Well, noted. I will not be trying that.
Noted.
That's good.
Well, I'll be doing an invert on the top, but I'm not gonna go there because it's a little weak. I'm gonna go to the tip.
How tall
All
do you
right.
think that is?
I think that's like 28 feet high.
I think they should put a light on that because a plane could hit it.
You know how tall I think that is, Gabe? No. That's how tall I think it is.
Are you ready to see who goes first?
It's like 47 cars.
All right.
Okay, I'm first.
Let's go.
Okay, I don't really think it matters. Just go.
Wait, somebody does need to judge. Are you gonna judge?
Aussie Dan, where you at?
No,
Oh, you're-
Aussie Dan, you get up in there. Aussie Dan and regular Dan.
Aussie Dan, there you are. Hey Dan, just see how high you can run on it.
I'm not going to try to wall ride on something that has a sticker that says death guaranteed.
You guys are all gonna get in.
All right, Aaron.
First?
Yeah,
I won the Rochambeau.
you're first.
No. Oh, mine is Carlos.
Whoa, that was the coolest thing I've ever seen Carlos do.
Let's go, Benny Hanna.
Oh, I think Carlos might still have the line.
Yeah, I
or
think
the,
it
the
was-
win.
it was-
Fetty, you gotta scream who's in the lead. Oh! That was about as high as I'll go. Oh no, Chris. Johnny. Yeah, Johnny! 2 extra feet for front side.
Yeah.
Oh!
Let's go! Oh, wait.
Whoa! Oh, that was actually terrifying. I would not try that. Let's go, Nigel! A little more pump. This wall makes Carlos look so much smaller than he already is. Oh no!
It was the wind. The wind.
Hey Aaron! You gotta do 1 drop in from the top.
Oh, what? What, Gabe? I got you.
Let's go, boy! Oh!
Bodied.
Send it. Full send. Scariest thing I've ever seen.
Oh!
He's literally like right there.
That was an accurate representation of the height.
Fully. I got my money on Andy Mack.
I think Nigel can get him. Watch out, watch out.
Yeah.
He's playing it safe. I respect that. Oh, I don't know. Did he get? Wow. Nigel, you won it, and then you just got it back again.
So I gotta go higher than that?
Yeah.
Oh, Carlitos.
Oh!
That felt great.
Nigel, let's go, boy. Oh! Was that the winner so far?
No, Andy's higher than that. He
Dang.
above those eyeballs. like goes up and then turns his board and then like power slides in. You notice that? Airs? Ah! Wow. Carlos, round 4. Oh!
I want to get above that crooked sticker.
Andy's above that.
Go ahead. Like everything they do, we're like, Andy was better.
No!
Deadly. Okay, well Andy definitely won this round.
Oh, you want to go to the full pipe?
Oh, he's got that, but yeah, I mean, it pushes me to go higher.
Okay.
I mean, if you want to see me in the full pipe, it's not pretty, but let's go.
Alright, Gabe, the highest I'm gonna go.
Yeah, Carlos.
It's up there.
Yeah, boy.
Andy won that one.
You know who won?
I did, because I didn't have to do it.
That's exactly what I was gonna say.
Andy won.
You didn't even do anything.
I've never seen Nigel fly like that. All right, I just want to know the safest place I can go.
Right here, with that lens.
Game 3, let's go!
Sorry. No, my bad.
Aaron, talk?
Talk?
Whoa.
Wait. How's that?
I can hear you from here.
That is like the single scariest thing ever.
Sounds better than any mic we've ever had.
No.
Oh!
I keep sticking on this side.
Wait. Stand there. Your silhouette, you look like a Martian. Whoa. No. Kickflip to fakie!
Oh, that's weird.
The highest wall ride challenge in the world's biggest full pipe.
I love it.
Nigel?
That thing's gnarly. I didn't skate it like that before. That's crazy.
Everyone in the line. Oh! Carlos!
Oh my god. I got so scared.
Bodied! All right, hey, we got to do that again. Yeah, you guys got to go a little closer. That is awesome. Oh! Ah! That was a good one. That was much better.
Watching everyone go all at once reminds me of the marble races.
Nigel Jones,
Nigel,
everybody.
I think you can get a little inverted, dude. I think you can push it a little more.
Where'd Andy go? I want to watch him do it again.
Wow. Uzi, try it. Let's go, boy. You see that wobble? This thing is so big, it has lights on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and get a little bit oververt, I guess.
Oh, bodies.
Me and falling today. I don't know what it is.
Are you all right?
Yeah.
Your shoulder's gonna be hurting tomorrow, man. Oh, body, dude, you
Oh
slammed
I slammed so hard my wristband came off.
Oh my god.
Look at it, it ripped completely off. And I also feel like I have powers right now.
That was way harder than your feet.
Oh yeah, go ahead, Dan.
Go ahead, Izzy.
Poser.
Yeah, dude. So sick.
Did you see how high I got?
Oh, bro, you were the highest out of everyone.
Killer. I think I did it.
Troy, you're in danger.
Oh!
You gotta make that.
This thing's nuts.
That one I felt it. I felt it.
Take me to your leader.
Oh yeah.
Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to skateboard and have a blast. Let's go.